Hello guys, we are in Bangkok at Affiliate World Asia 2022. Here is Sajid, the CEO of Geeksoft.io service provider. Hi, Sajid.
Hello, how are you? Thank you.
Um, please introduce our audience more about your products. What can you offer?
Fantastic. Uh, we have been in the space of community building for almost 20 years, and uh, what we find a very big gap is there are a lot of people who are probably sometimes technical savvy or sometimes not very technical savvy, and whether it is an affiliate, whether it is any small scale business or a large scale business, or even probably somebody or a self-employed person. These days, everybody requires a digital asset, at least a website or a CRM. So when I say website CRM, it's a very common thing. But for a common user, everybody wants things to be very easy and put it into one particular platform. So we thought about developing something like that, and we didn't want it to develop from scratch because it's all available in the space. It's all there are a lot of plugins available. So we did a consolidation of all this, so that it becomes easy for any person to develop their own websites, connectors, sales funnels, do an automation, keep on changing their website, n number of websites, n number of landing pages.
Can you give an example of some automation in your products?
Some
Yeah, some automation.
Yeah, yeah.
What can you automate?
Fantastic. Yeah. Recently, we worked this for one coffee brand
Okay.
based in India. They actually wanted to. It's a beautiful coffee, and somebody developed it, by themselves. They tried it at home, and they came up with a fantastic flavor. But how do people know about it? He needs to have a social media, promotion and website and all this. But he didn't know anything about it. He didn't know how to do it. So we created, we actually, using this platform, we created a very good website for him and multiple landing pages, because this coffee was actually very good for children for their focus in studies. Okay, this was very good for old age people for their alertness and all those stuff, for energy, peak performance and all those stuff. And for normal employees, for example, people at the age of 30, 40, they would want to be active throughout the day working, right? So this coffee was very good. So we created multiple landing pages. One track is for the children, another track is for the 30, 40 year age
Okay.
working community, another track is for the old age. And this coffee works for all. And all these landing pages, whoever clicks on these pages, the user, the coffee maker, for example, the owner of the brand, is able to see who all are there in the landing pages. Plus, we also connected all his social media, digital, assets to this. For example, his Facebook page, Insta, everything into this, so that he was able to see everything. And sitting at home, he and his wife now, he's selling it worldwide.
Okay, great. So it means that you brought new clients from new ages, not only children, but 30, 40, 50 years, right?
Yes.
So that's great. That's for white label, white businesses.
Yes.
Huge system that help to automate almost everything, right?
Helping people to be on their own legs, not depending on too many people. To create a website, you have to pay a developer.
Okay.
And if you want to make a small change, again, you'll have to pay that person.
Okay. Yeah.
So what if you can make everything from your own way?
Okay.
That's very easy.
Okay. I remember your dashboard. I have already signed up at your product, and I would like to add some video tutorials, screencasts, how your products work.
Yeah.
Will you provide it the best for our audience to understand how it works?
100%. Yeah, we'll be very happy, because see, this is definitely going to be useful for worldwide community, whether is a small scale business, large scale business, a housewife doing something, somebody, a doctor, for example, a practicing doctor, everybody.
Okay.
So we have brought in some very good tutorials. So simple steps, step by step, will train you how to do it, and I'm going to share it you.
Great,
for that.
great. So we will add it here, and I hope we will add some links in the description to your website. Maybe if it will be possible, you provide some discount code or something like this to our audience.
Definitely, yeah. We have See, for your community, what we can offer is that, see, I'm talking about it and nobody knows about it. So I can give you a free trial for,
Great.
1 or 2 months, and then
Well,
maybe you
cool.
can as well try it, and then, go ahead.
Free try for
Yeah.
1 or 2 months. That's very
We'll
cool.
do that. We'll do that for them.
Thank you. Thank you for information.
Grace.
Guys, please
Grace
write your
talking.
comments after you test this product. And thank you.
Thank you
See
for
you.
giving the opportunity to us. Thank
you.
you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, welcome to Geeksoft. So let me congratulate you for taking this decision to use Geeksoft, because this one platform is going to take your business to the next level. So first of all, I will take you through the platform and I will show you some step-by-step process to set up the platform and to get started. So let's dive in. So these are the steps I'm going to cover with you today. The first step is introduction. Let us see how the platform looks like. This is the dashboard of Geeksoft. The first thing you see here is opportunities. This means that how many leads do you have in your system. The second is pipeline value. This means what business you are doing, what conversions you are getting, and what is the total turnover you are achieving by closing those deals. The third thing is conversion rate. How many deals you are closing out of which you are getting as the leads. So these three figures are very important for you. Please note this. And if possible, please make a habit of looking at these figures every day. Because once you monitor this, you will see how many leads you are taking. You should take every day at least few leads. Okay, that is the result of your marketing. You should maintain a good conversion rate. This means that you should convert, for example, out of 100 leads, you must be closing 20 to 30 leads at least. Okay, then you must monitor the growth, your financial growth. Okay, never bypass this. Now, coming to the platform, there are many options here. You can see your funnel report, stage report, task, and everything here. So how to do all these things, we have given a tutorial inside. There is something called tutorials here. If you go there, you can see the entire video series in which everything is explaining to you. Okay, you can go here, you can see the tutorials of all these processes. So just follow these tutorials and it is very easy for you to set up the things once you follow the tutorials. Now, coming back to the dashboard. Yeah. One very important thing you need to look at is the chat widget you see on the bottom right. Okay. Whenever you find any difficulty, whenever you need support from the technical team, please write to us in the chat widget. Okay, we have many articles ready made for you. So mostly whenever you write something, the solution will be there already, or the technical team will be supporting you. So please use this. Whenever you feel stuck, please use this. Okay. Next is conversations. Before that, let me open the mind map. One important thing you need to understand from our side, which we have given you as a gift, is we have almost integrated more than 50 website templates for you and some funnels. Okay. Periodically, we will be making more and pushing to your account. So what's the advantage of that? It saves your time of designing the funnels or creating the websites. Okay. So how to use a sales funnel? Let us see. The first step is to create a form. Now let us see how to create a form. Go to sites. Here in the menu, you can see sites. Click here and you will get a lot of options there, in which go to forms. Okay. Here you can see builder. So click there. Once you go to builder, you can see these are the forms which we have made for you. But otherwise, there is one button here. Click new form, create new form. Click there. Give a name to your form. Okay. So here we can say form name as demo tutorial form, right? And after that, what you want to do when somebody is submitting the form. Okay. There are two things I personally recommend. One, either you can show a message here or you can redirect the user to a URL. So if you are an independent business owner who works alone, you are a solopreneur, It would be great to give your WhatsApp chat link here so that whenever somebody is submitting the form, automatically that person will be coming to your chat. Or you can give any website. You can give a thank you page as well, right? So here we are giving a message form. Okay, we'll put just thank you, right? We have few more options here, like Facebook Pixel and all those kind of things. Those are little advanced. You will learn it later. Okay. Then go to fields, add the field details you want to collect. It's very easy, just drag and drop, or phone number, email, and full name. You can see a star mark here. It means this field is mandatory. So if you want to mandatorily collect the full name, just click here as required. Okay. And after that, add a button, right? Now you can change the topic of the button by clicking here, submit. Right. Done. So your form is ready, and save the form. That is the first step. Okay. So when you have created a form, why form? Form is to collect data, collect the leads. Okay. Second is design a funnel. Now I'll show you how to design a funnel. So before that, in the form, I want to mention one more thing. If you want to collect some particular data of a user, like we have given a lot of fields ready-made for you, but in case you need additional fields like some other particular data, you can go to custom fields and you can click here as custom field, add custom field, then you can create your own custom field. Then you can pull that from here and paste it here. Like here, this message field which we are giving here is a custom field. Okay, so you can also create custom fields like that. Another thing is that I recommend one important thing. If you're giving away some lead magnet, like an ebook or something like that, then you can go to the options and give the link of that particular ebook here. That ebook can be in our media library. You have a media library inside the platform, or you can upload the file in the cloud or Google Drive and share the link. Okay, in that way, you can take leads and deliver the lead magnet at the same time and save the form. Next, we are going to the funnels. Okay, so this is the funnels tab. So before funnels, there is something called websites. In the websites, if you see, there are many folders here. Okay, so if you open any folder, you can see a lot of websites already there. This means you can see here like almost 7 websites. This means that we have already developed websites for you, designed websites for you. You just need to use any of these, and you can change the logo, you can change the color, you can change the images, and start using the platform, start using the website. Okay, so here is a website which is ready for you already. See, you can change the things and you can easily get started. Okay, so let's go to the funnels. So let's go to funnels. In the funnels, we have given you 2 designs. So I'm taking one among them. This is already made for you. Now you can change your logo name. You can change the photo. You can change your name and everything. You can change here. Okay, and you can start using this. Okay, so let us edit it. So click on the edit button and edit in a new tab. Yeah, so here is our funnel. Okay, now to show an example, I am just going to the pop-up. Okay, so there is a pop-up. So how to add the form, like how to add a section. I'll show you how to add a section. You can just click here and add a full width section. In this section, you can add 1 column. In the column, you can add an element and you can edit it. So it's very easy. Okay, so I'll just delete it. I'm just adding the form. So go to pop-up. You can also integrate the form in the website as well. I'm just putting it on the pop-up just for a user-friendly experience. So I'm clicking here. So I'll just delete that one. Okay, I'll just click here and I'll add a form. And in the form, you can select the form which you have designed. So here it is demo form. Yeah, the form has come, and just save it. Okay, now we have integrated the form in the funnel. Okay, so our process of building a sales funnel and integrating the form has been done. So we'll just refresh this. Okay. And let's see, the form has come. Now you can share this funnel to people and take the data. So since this is a funnel, I would say here it is a book-free consultation. You can also offer some giveaway and take the leads. Okay. Now let's go back. The step number 2, set up the pipelines. Now, what is a pipeline? Pipeline is a stage-by-stage process of your sales process. Okay. So first thing is that we will create a pipeline, and we will also create one workflow through which we will see how the leads are being added to our pipeline. Okay. So let us see that. I'll go to opportunities and then pipelines. Here I'll add new pipeline, demo tutorial. I'll name like this. Stage 1 is new lead. I'll add stage 2, presentation given. Stage 3 is interested. Stage 4 is not interested. Whatever. You can add your on pipeline stages. Okay. Then click save. So now I have created one pipeline. Now go back to opportunities and select the demo tutorial pipeline. So you will see the 4 stages which we have created. See, it's the new lead, presentation given, interested and not interested. Now we need to get data into this pipeline. Why? Because we share the funnels to people. We get traffic there. People download the things, or people do fill the form, book some appointments. You are collecting the data from there. Now you need to see the data and the status of that. Okay. So I'm going to automation. Okay. Now this is called an automation process. Click create workflow. And we have a lot of recipes here, but I recommend you start with scratch. Start from scratch. Okay. Then create new workflow. Workflow is basically we are automating some actions based on some triggers. So I'm naming it demo workflow. Okay. Now, if you want to automate something, there must be a trigger that the actions or the workflow based on what trigger we place in the workflow. Okay. So the step number 1 is go to trigger. Go to trigger. In the trigger, you can select form submission, because we want to send the data from the funnel or the form to pipeline. That is the workflow we are going to implement here. So for that, the trigger should be on whenever there is a lead submission. Whenever someone opens your funnel and whenever someone fills that form, you should get the data in your pipeline. So let's click here, form submitted. Okay, this is the trigger we want to implement. And here we need to, you can give a name. So I will give a name, demo form submitted. Now, there is one thing called filter. Now, what is filter? Filter is, as we said, we need to collect the data and we need to push the data to the pipeline. Why filter is because, say, example, you have 10 websites and you have 10 different forms. Okay. So when you get a lead in the first website, you should push that lead to the relevant pipeline, maybe the pipeline number 1. So how do we identify from which sales funnel and which form did we get the data? That's by this filter. So click add filter and select form. Okay. In the form, you select the name of the form. So our form name is the demo tutorial form. So whenever somebody submit their data in this form, this automation will trigger. Okay. Click save. Now, when we get a new lead, what is the action we want to implement? That's so you have a lot many options. You can send email, call, manual SMS. You can add notes. You can set task reminders. There are a lot of options, but always start with one option. Here we will be doing opportunity. we are creating one opportunity. Opportunity means one business opportunity with one person, one new lead. So create opportunity. Select that option. Okay. So action name is create or update opportunity. I'll say demo. Okay. Click demo tutorial pipeline. Select stage. This means whenever we receive that lead in that particular form, we want that data should to be shown in this pipeline. Which pipeline? Demo tutorial pipeline. That's why we are selecting that pipeline, right? After that stage, what stage every new leads comes from? Whenever we get a data that is in the raw stage, like that is new lead, once we give presentation, we can move that lead from one stage to next stage. So here it is new lead, okay? Opportunity name. This is very important because think of a situation, you have 100 leads. Now you will not be able to identify which lead is what. So here we need opportunity name has to be dynamic, okay? If I am submitting my data into your funnel, you should have this opportunity name as Subilal, and for what product, it's all up to you. How to do that, I'll show you, okay? So go to opportunity name, click this tag, and here you have some options given. In that, select contact and select full name, okay? Now what happens is that the person is putting his name in the form, automatically the system will pick his name from there and will show it here, okay? You can also say his phone number also. It's all up to you. You have a lot of options here. It is up to you what to choose from. Then comes opportunity source, from where the data has come. I recommend you to go to contact, and here we have the source option. Just select this, okay? Next is lead value. Now, what is lead value? Lead value is if a business deal is getting closed, means if that person is purchasing the product from me, what is going to be the business value? So if my product is worth 10,000 rupees, this person is a lead for me for a business deal worth 10,000 rupees. Okay. So I will put here 10,000 rupees. Right. Then comes status. Now, what status means? In every pipeline, in every sales process, there are different statuses. It's open status, it's won, it's lost, or it's abandoned. Open means there is a still possibility of closing the deal. Won means we close the deal. Lost means we could not close the deal. Abandoned means some or other reason this particular lead is not relevant to us. Okay, it can be your competitor, it can be your staff, it can be trial, right? So let's select open for that. Okay. Then we have two other options, allow duplicate opportunities or allow opportunity to move to any previous stage in pipeline. I recommend allow opportunity to move to any previous stage in pipeline. If you have a pipeline where the leads move front and back, okay, front and back in the sense that person can be considered as interested first, then not interested. So you need to move from one pipeline, one stage to back stage. If that works for you, then you can select this. The second thing is allow duplicate opportunity. If you expect one person to have different sales opportunities with you, means if one person is trying to buy the product many times from me, then you need to select these duplicate opportunities. Okay, then click save. Right. So now what will happen is that whenever a person submit the lead in the form, it will automatically come to your pipeline. And click publish and save. Always remember to publish this and before you save it. Okay. Now our workflow is live. Now let us give a try here. Let us see how that works. Okay. Now let us see the opportunities tab. Here you can see there is no lead yet. New lead, presentation given, interested, not interested. It is not there. So I will book a consultation. Submit. Yep. So I submitted the form and you can see the message here. We had given thank you as the message there. Okay. In the form submission. Then you can see, you can come back to the opportunities. And let us see whether the lead is coming here automatically or not. Okay. So you can also go to the automation first and see whether the workflow has executed or not. So click here, demo workflow. And in these, you can see history. In the history, you see a person has filled the form, added to workflow, executed, so and so, everything has been done. Okay, it's in green stage. Now let's go back to the opportunities. See, the details has come here. So my name and my mobile number is here. So you can look at the mobile number and you can make a call. So whenever you find new leads, it will automatically come here. Also look at this figure as well. It is $10,000. Means I'm having a business opportunity of $10,000 in this particular stage, new lead stage. I can move it like you can move from one place to another. If you have given the presentation, just move it from there. And if that person is interested, just move it from there. So you can see on what stage, what business is pending for you. At the interested stage, you have $10,000 worth business. Now let us go back to the dashboard as well. See, here you have one lead and 10,000 worth business is open for you, not yet closed. And when you close it, you will see the conversion rate here. So let us see how the conversion works. Now, if for example, if the person has purchased your product, just drag him to this one stage. Okay. Now the deal is closed, right? And then go back to the dashboard. See, your conversion rate is 100. So always try to maintain your conversion rate. See, your closed business is 10,000. Okay. So this is what you need to implement in your business. It's very, very raw process. From my experience, there are two challenges which can happen to you. One is you are not following a system like this. Second, when you get the leads, try to manage the leads, try to put your effort to move from one stage to another with full dedication and all. See, now it is gone from the pipeline. Okay, all the leads closed or lost will be moved from the pipeline. Still, you can see that you can see all stages here. So you can see from here the deal was won, right? So that is the setup pipelines process. So with this, you can increase your present business sales, okay, turnover. Next is social media. The third step you need to implement in your business is connecting your social media. So there are two ways you can connect your social media. One is you can go to the systems, settings. In the system settings, there is something called integrations. And here you can add your Facebook and Instagram. Okay. Just click here and log into your Facebook. Then connect your, it's very easy. The system will guide you through the process. Okay. You can select the page and connect here. And whenever you receive a message in that particular Facebook and that particular Instagram profile, that will come to your conversations directly. So you don't need to go to Facebook and Instagram to give replies to that. So any person, it's a probable lead for you. Any person messaging you from those two handles will be here. Okay. Right. Then you can also integrate your Google there in the integrations tab, and you will get the messages from there as well. Now, there is one more integrations part for the social media, that is in the marketing. So in the left side, you can see marketing. Click here. Go to marketing. Here you can see social planner. There you can add Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, and Twitter. You can add as many accounts as you want. Okay. So you can add your Facebook. You can click here, and again you can go to Facebook and you can select the page or group. You can click here and go to your Instagram. Okay. You can click here and go to Google. You can add your Google My Business here. You can go to your LinkedIn. Okay. You can go to LinkedIn and you can add your LinkedIn page. You can also connect Twitter. So when you connect all these social media here, you can schedule the post. You can create the post and schedule it from one point. You don't have to go to all these 5 platforms to post it. Okay, this is very powerful and this can save a lot of time. Got it? So that is how you will manage your social media from this platform. Next is payments. How to add a product and sell a product. Okay. So go to the platform. Here, go to the payments, and you can connect your Stripe here. Okay. So for that, what you need to do is that you need to get a Stripe account. And after that, you can integrate your Stripe account. So the Stripe is connected here. Okay. Once you connect the Stripe, you can see invoices, orders, transactions, products, and everything. Okay. So you can create invoices in two ways: recurring invoices and one-time payment invoices. So let us see. Let us create a product first. Okay. So I'll click here to create a new product, demo product. Okay. I'll put it as a digital good. Name, demo price. Product price is 10 Indian rupees and create a product. Okay. Now I have created a product. Okay. Once you created this product, you can go to invoices and create a new invoice. It's very easy to create an invoice and collect payment using this platform. So I'll just add a client. If you have people added in your system, you can add people here. So I just selected one person and I'm going to select a product. Okay, a demo product. Yep. So our invoice is ready. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. And you can send this to the person, your client, by clicking here, by sending here. Okay. Right. You can save it and you can send. So your invoice is ready. When the customer gets this, he will have a button like this to make the payment as well. So you can collect the payment from your customer on a single go. It's very easy. Okay. So likewise, you can create a Stripe account, integrate it, create product, create invoices, and that's it. You can collect money from anyone, right? So that's powerful. The platform is okay. I'm not saving this. And apart from these, there are a lot many other options. You will learn many options, but one I recommend follow this process. Set up your funnel first, set up your pipelines, set up your social media, and set up your payments. Okay. Once you are ready with this, one thing you will need to do is domain integration. Okay. I will domain. So how to do domain integration? I'll show you. Go to settings. You need to add domains first. So go to domains. Okay. So ensure that you have purchased your domain in Cloudflare. Okay. Or if your domain is in GoDaddy or some other platform, try to move it from GoDaddy to the Cloudflare for DNS management. It is because first of all, Cloudflare provide free account. Second is it is easy to manage as well. So there are many other reasons, but we recommend they provide free SSL. There are many other things, technical things, but we recommend move to Cloudflare, and after it's free, and after that you integrate that with your platform. Okay. So click add new domain. You can enter the once you move that your domain to this IP, you direct it to this IP. You can add your domain here. Okay. And click add. Right. So once you add your domain here, then you can map your domain to your website. So let me try some. So this is the platform Cloudflare. You can create an account and you can map it. So I just mapped one domain here. So let me add it. Demo.soft. So let me see if I can add. Yep. Okay. Now the domain has been added to this. Now you can select one funnel, whichever you want to connect with. So I selected personal funnel 2 and homepage. This is not the same account which we are using, so don't get confused. I'm just showing you how to map a domain. I just linked it. Okay. So once you link it, you can go to the link demo.gitsoft.io and just click it. Otherwise, it shows like the Gitsoft URL. But when you create one See, it's added here. So you can also go and see the same thing in your websites. Okay, now it is loading. Yeah, so the website is loading now. Okay, so demo.gigsoft.io is the website which we mapped. So likewise, when you create your funnel, you can add your website to the domain like this. It's very easy. It's very easy. Once you do that, your website will be live. Okay, so that's how we add our domain to this. Now let us see what next. Okay, so we have covered almost everything to get you started with. Okay, now if let me see if anything left here. Yeah, then you can go to calendars. You can go to calendars and you can add your calendar, Google Calendar or something like that. And you can see, you can take appointments in this, right? It's again very easy. You can follow the tutorials on how to set this up. And then here comes contacts. Contacts is the CRM. All the contacts you have, you add will be shown in your platform like this. If you select any account, you can again see all the previous conversations, emails. You can also see from where this person has come to you, what was the first step he did, like he first visited your website, then form submitted, then the contact created. Okay, you can add tasks for this person, you can add notes, you can add appointments. So there are a lot many things which are possible. Okay, so it's very easy. Go through the tutorials to see about these and how to use these platform, use these features. Okay, then opportunities we have seen, payments also we have seen, marketing we have seen, the social media. You can create emails also in these once you have the email provider connected to your platform. Okay, and automation, yes, we have seen basic automation workflow. Sites, yes, we have seen funnels and websites. Let me tell you, you can even create a blog in this platform and attach it with your system. You can create a chat widget. You can create unlimited forms. Even you can create one e-learning platform also in this. So that comes under the memberships portal. You can, if you are someone who create course and sell, go to memberships and go to products. Okay, so you can create a new product. New product means new course, and you can follow the tutorial and you can sell the courses from here. Just click here and create a product. Okay, build your own course, give a name. Right. So then we have reputation. Reputation means that you will be able to see your Google reviews and Google ratings here. It is again easy. You can even send the request from here to your people to give ratings. I am selecting one person here, and I can send a request from here to get reviews from him. Go to reporting. In the reporting, you will see Google ads, Facebook ads, reviews. I mean analytics. You can see your call reporting, source reporting, conversion reporting, agent reporting. There are not many things. You follow the tutorials, you will see how all these things work. Then the final one, academy. We are giving you a lot of courses to learn and build. Okay, for doing it yourself. It's very useful. Okay, so once you get the access to the academy, you can see the courses there and you can start learning from there. Okay, so that's all about the getting started with Gigsoft. So I believe that you will follow all these steps one by one. Try to implement it. Whenever you find any difficulty, wherever you get stuck, use the chat widget to get in touch with us. We will be supporting you. And my team joins me to wish you once again for all the success, and once again congratulate for getting started with this platform. See you.